Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video how we can easily backup our registry on Windows 11. If this video will be helpful, you can write down below in comments, so when other people will come here, they will like, oh, okay, this video was at least helpful. So what you want to do is go on the bottom and click on a search, then in a search write reggae edit or reggae only, and then you can see the registry editor. Yes, it will ask for an administrator, and when you're gonna be here, you want to go on a top left file and export, and then you would like export it, and this is pretty much it. So this is how you can backup the registry on Windows 11. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and definitely write down below in the comments that this video helped you, so when other people can like search for how to backup registry on Windows 11, this will appear. So thank you and goodbye. See ya.